In this video, I will show you how to view SD card files on your Android device. To get started, locate and open the My Files app or any similar file manager app installed on your Android device. Once opened, you will see a section labeled Storage. Here, you'll find two main categories, your internal storage and the SD card. To view files stored on your SD card, simply tap on SD card. Now that you're in the SD card section, you can open any of these folders to see what's inside. It's straightforward, just tap on a folder to access its contents. There's another way to view SD card files if preferred. Start by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. This will reveal quick settings options. Next, tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner to enter settings. Once in settings, scroll down until finding an option called Device Care. Tap on it. After entering Device Care, select Storage. Here you'll see an overview of your device's storage usage, including both internal storage and SD card details. Swipe left within this section to delve deeper into your storage information specifically related to the SD card. You'll find detailed insights about how much space is occupied by images, videos, audio files, and documents stored on your SD card. If more details are needed about specific file types or categories, simply tap on Show More. For example, tapping on images will display all images currently saved in that folder. This feature allows for easy management and quick access without sifting through countless files manually. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.